Welcome to Mercell Tutorials. This tutorial is going to be a little more in depth. We're going to go over a couple of things. First, we're going to look at logging in as an agent, and then we're going to look at what the agent can see. So first, let's go to do that. Let's log in as an agent. Let's go to the domain /admin. Type in the agent's email address. Alright, we'll log in. Alright, now once we're logged in, you'll be able to see any leads that have been assigned to you by the broker. And you'll also be able to view that lead and any information. This one's one I just created really quick. You can also add notes to the lead if you wish, and those notes will show up. Just click on notes, start typing, and click save, add notes here. And of course, you can see their contact history, their emails, properties, and search history as well. Alright, excuse me. If the lead is a registered user, you will be able to also add saved searches to it. This particular lead does not. So something else you can do is you can look at registered users if there are any, okay, in your group. If there's not. So I want to add one. So I'm going to go and create a new user and add one. We're going to call this Bobby Smith. Alright, Bobby Smith. We'll give him an email address. Okay, he is a member, and we are going to go ahead and we're not going to do that right now. I'm not going to describe. I'm just going to create this user. Okay, you can also click here. This tells you to send in every time he logs in to send you an email if you wish. Every now and then, that's a good idea. But for now, I'm just going to save this. This will now create a registered user for me. It's assigned to me, this particular user. So I can show you if I go to leads, Bobby Smith is assigned to me. Okay, so I just added one of my customers into the system, and now they're going to be able to use the system. Now what I can do, after doing that, I can simply go and create a saved search. Okay, register users, there's Bobby Smith. As I'm looking at Bobby Smith, I can also view his details here by clicking there, or add another lead. Okay, alright, but what I want to do is I want to create a saved search, so I need to go to view, let's go back to that. Register users, Bobby Smith. A couple of things. Make sure they have a valid email. His email is verified. If it's not, there'll be a box here saying verify it. You can just check it and verify them. And also make sure they're subscribed to Save Searches here and save that. Okay? That way they'll be subscribed. Because that now, when you're viewing this, you'll see a box, Add Save Search. And you click that box. It's going to ask for two things. It's going to ask for a friendly name and a query string. Friendly name, query string. Now, a lot of people ask me, how do I get this query string? It's actually pretty simple. Watch this. If I want to get a query string, all I do is go to the front end of the website, the search, I'll do a city search, and I can build my search however I want. And price ranges, all that kind of stuff. Whatever I want, features, you name it. Okay? All that kind of stuff. I'll just do a search. And it will automatically generate on the query URL line here. Goodness, my English is terrible today. Right here. I can just copy that. Right click, copy. That is called a query string right there. See, it generates that every time you do a search. Alright, then I can take, add save search, right click here, click in the box and right click, paste, give it a name. Like that, and save it. And the system will then create the query string. I can close the box, look at save search history, where you go save searches, and there it is, right there. I can even perform it to test it. But alrighty, that is all there is to it. And now I have created a saved search, subscribed him, and verified his email. So now every day this system will run and it will send him any properties associated with that search. That's all there is to that. And we'll go ahead and log out, and we're done. Thank you so much.